Say this isn't the THX logo. What is this?
Brian, you are grounded.
Oh, for the love of God, Caillou, can you please shut up?
Shut up, Dad. I can do whatever I want. You don't tell me what to do.
Don't tell me to shut up. I am your father. And can do whatever you want. When you're a grown man, you can do whatever you want, but not at this age.
Just get the out of my room, please. I want to be alone.
Oh ho, you want a spanking on the butt, don't you?
And I see you want to be a child abuser right now.
Oh, now you're asking for it. Time to get the ultimate spank ever.
No, I'm sorry, wow.
Stupid freaking child. Why can't you get a life?
There. That should teach you a lesson.
Man, there's nothing to do right now, besides raging at my computer on Fortnite, unless there's something else I can do. Hey, I got an idea. I've always wanted to bring bees in the house as slaves, or at least a way to kill my family, and I know just the place to find bees. Come with me to see what I'm talking about.
Hold it right there, mister. And where do you think you're going, to cause more trouble?
Oh, hey, Dad. I was just going to, go hang out with Leo.
Nice try, Caillou, but Leo's mom calls to ask if you both can hang out, and she hasn't called about it yet.
Oh, well then. See you, loser.
15 minutes later.
Oh god, after all that running from my house to here, I sure can say is that running sure does get you really tired. Wait a second. Oh my god. Target sighted. This is surely the best tree to find beehives in. Now to go and climb up this tree.
Even more
Minutes later.
Okay, now to just throw this in the living room and then hide somewhere. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
What in the world is going on? What the? A beehive? But where did it come from?
Boris, what the heck is going on? Holy crap, a beehive, but where did it come from?
It looks like it came from the window over here. I just hope Caillou has nothing to do with this.
Wait, do you hear that? Oh my god, run.
Maybe if I can find my bee gun and use it on the bees, we'll be safe.
That's a smart idea, Boris. Oh god, hurry, Boris.
Hey, get the heck away from her. Go pick someone your own size, you stupid bees. That's right, run away, and never come back. And now where in the world is Caillou?
I found him in the basement behind boxes.
But how did she eat?
That does not matter. You've got a lot of explaining to do.
Okay, fine. I went to a tree to find a beehive to kill you guys. There's your answer.
Whoa. Caillou, you freaking brat. Did you really think bringing bees in the house was a good idea? If so, your dumb loss confirmed. For this, you're grounded for 12,378,902,318,970 seconds. As punishment, you're getting your computer away, and phone as well. So no more electronics for the amount of seconds we said.
Now go to your room right now, and don't come out until your time's up.
Why?